This is the trader investor, and we're going to take a look at the market overall. And today I'm just going to combine the AMC video into one because there's not a whole lot of action, so it doesn't warrant its own video. So let's start off with the broader market. SPY, we know we closed down yesterday from Monday, and in the pre-market we're also opening up a little bit lower than the close of yesterday, but this does not really scare me because we're not that far off. So where are we going to mark the 15-minute range? This is the big question, because based on that is our entry targeting this clearance bounce back so we can go here, or is our target clearing this bounce back and then here, right? It all depends on where it opens up. And to the downside, we have quite a lot of room. So room meaning this low of yesterday will redraw. This line will move up to here once the market opens. So based on where we're closing here, are we going to go straight for this, or is price going to stall in at these levels? So if it does, because it's a recent swing point, it's okay as well, because as soon as it gives us that opportunity, we can go for it. Now the remaining question then is there room from entry down here of $1, right? So this is where the question is. Right now, if this was the exact spot where this happens, there is no room, right? Then for me at that case, what I want to see is price come down, retrace to some level, then I can target some of these previous lows as well. So this is how the markets are setting up, and not a whole lot of action based in the overnight trading. That's not what I am seeing because of where the markets want to open, because the pre-market is very close to the close of yesterday. Qs, as you can see, pre-market just about where it closed yesterday. IWM pre-market a little bit off, but not that much off, right? About $1 off from where it closed yesterday. So one of these things, when I see this, it kind of tells me we could potentially have an inside day. And in an inside day, if price is contained in this range, it makes it a little bit difficult to trade. You want to see it outside of the inside day so you can have explosive moves. That's our preference. So then looking at diamonds, in the diamonds, again, pre-market opening lower than the close of yesterday by about 60 cents or so, 50 cents, about 50 cents. So again, it kind of says we could have an inside day. But in the diamonds, a little bit of an interest area could be, maybe it would be easier if we switch to an hourly chart, is based on how far we go down to break our 15-minute range. We could be targeting this area here. We have this long-term trend line. We could be potentially targeting that area. And what is that distance? If we start from here and go here, it's more than $1, right? So it's $1.40 or so. So that would be an interesting area to target. But again, we don't know what we don't see, therefore we don't trade, right? I don't blindly enter at the open a position to the downside. I want to see what is happening. So if that's what I am targeting, what I want to see then is, based on this pre-market action, if price really gives me the 15-minute range at the lows of yesterday, perfect, because once that breaks, I have that distance. But if it breaks up higher, the lows of yesterday would be headwind for us. So that's what I'm going to look at and be prepared for that position. So broader markets, that's what they're looking like, and we're going to open in about 14 minutes or so. So that's what the broader markets look like. AMC had a nice move yesterday, the first half of the day, and then it collapsed. I mean, collapsed meaning it still closed higher than the previous day's close, but it did not have that explosive move continued, right? So it collapsed. It started to go below VWAP. That was a sign that price could be going south. So, and that's what happened. And in the pre-market, we're playing around the low of yesterday. That's what we're playing around. And so maybe this is a breather room. Breather room meaning if price gives us an opportunity to enter at a lower price. I've said many times I would love for price to go to 25 to 30 range, but if that's not going to happen, is it going to give us a range maybe today in this space, or could we even go lower? I mean, if you can see, there are days where we have 51 to 40, right, an $11 range. That can happen. This is going to be a beautiful entry if even if we can come down to the 40 area. If that's the best we can get, then that's the best we can get. The reason why I did not have a lot of position, I added some stock here but not a lot of positions, is as price was moving down and knowing that the squeeze has not started yet, I was hoping that we would push some more down here and have an opportunity to enter. That was I was hoping for, but that didn't happen. And so today, if we come down to the mid to low 40s, again, it's an opportunity that I look at to enter at option positions, expecting the squeeze to start anytime soon. It could start as early as this week, or it could be on Monday after some SEC decision, but it could also come a little later. We just have to be patient. But for me, what I would love is an opportunity to load up on options. So this is my analysis this morning. Let us see how the markets open and give us our entries and exits. And I hope that today will be a green day for you. Be patient, wait for your signals, trade your plan. Hopefully you have a plan already. And if not, leave a comment and we can discuss on how I can help you create a plan. Alright everyone, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.